Well, welcome back. What we got here is a Kipmoto SherpaX trailer. Figured since we do two-up riding, it'd be a good idea to put all the camping gear in this trailer. Went online and ordered it at kipmoto.com. You put $50 down and you wait about 8 months. Well, I finally got it. Looking forward to using it. I did a little bit of a assembly video if you want to stick around and watch it. Then after that, I'm going to take it to test drive. I will end up taking this tote off of here. I don't really want a video of showing a tote going down the road. So after the assembly, I'll meet you up on the road. How do I want to start this? Well, no big surprise, this is going to be an assembly. I got this from Kipmoto, imported from Canada. Come through customs. As you can see, I think it's in it, checking it for something. Just going to open up and see what we got. Come on, Joel. Gravity. Yeah. Well, thanks for tuning back in on part 2 of opening the SherpaX trailer. All right, sweet. Well, I'm not sponsored. I figure I'll try to put this together with the tools I carry on the bike. Yeah. Someone stole my dikes. Rock straps. We'll get to that later. Dude, are you kidding me? I hope the hell you don't have to break it off the rim to get it out. Oh shit, this is a trip. All right, dual sport tire, DOT rated, pretty sweet. We'll get to that later. All right, more shrink wrap. The hitch is specific to your vehicle. When you place your order, you gotta tell them what you want. KLR. Sweet. All right. There's your clip. This is your hitch. We'll get to that shortly. No instructions, this is all an assumption. She's greased good. Not lock nuts, very nice. This thing's getting longer, isn't it? Let's go ahead and put the tire on. Tire and wheel. Nice. One side's offset more than the other. That's nice, nice, nice. Yes. This thing's light, you don't need a floor jack. Right to tight. Okay. I'll ride that way. This is like the bob trailer we had for a bicycle. Very similar. This was up through, I'm assuming. That's the way it's supposed to be, is up through. I don't think the nut is going to... It's not going to fall up. There's plenty of grease. This is a trick. So, the fender, what we got here? Oh, okay. Should have read the instructions. All right. That zip tie must go around that. Yeah. I like to make it more difficult. Should have done this before, put the tire on. I guess we zip tie down through here. Something's gotta give. That looks like it's it. I really ain't digging that at all. Now we'll tighten it up. We'll tighten everything back up, or tighten everything and bring you back. Okay, since I looked at the no directions, it looks to me as though you replace that with this. Makes absolute sense. Washer and your nut. Okay, we all know how to do the chain tension. We did that, as you can see. This is in place of the factory piece. So let's go ahead and hook it up. Go ahead and hit the other side. Can't. That ain't cool at all. But I guess that. And then we'll put our cotter pins on the inside. Plenty of clearance. That must be the security system. All right. Now, this trailer was designed around this Rubbermaid action packer. It's a model 1172. Just fits in there just so. Got the rock straps to tie it on. So we'll have to check it out. Load her down and do some motor camping. All right, thanks for stopping. Let's go for a ride. Yeah, that was quite a show, wasn't it? All right, well, here's some switchbacks. We'll just see how she does. Anything happens, just tap me on the shoulder. Let me know. even feel it. Usually I avoid this, but today alright, that wasn't too bad. I added the tail light just to be a little safer. The little monoshock, it is adjustable. You can adjust your dampening. I just set it about halfway. Never run it with a load on it yet. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you. Now I gotta figure out where to put this thing.